Because it is unknowing, it sneaks up on you. It's actually called the silent killer because there's no way of knowing until you're sick.
Where there is fire or a flame, there's carbon monoxide, a colorless, tasteless, and odorless gas that can lead to carbon monoxide poisoning if breathed in. Cincinnati Fire Captain Elton Britton says from December to February, they see an increase in carbon monoxide poisoning cases, mainly from those trying to heat their homes with improper methods.
Using your oven as a heat source, generators, because all these things produce heat, carbon monoxide is produced by them.
Carbon monoxide poisoning blocks your red blood cells, which leads to oxygen being blocked throughout your body.
Having carbon monoxide poisoning is really like breathing through a straw. Everything's greatly reduced.
The symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning can start with a headache and body aches, but then quickly escalate to nausea, vomiting, dizziness, and even death.
It's such a serious matter that when we even think about it being carbon monoxide, we wear the same fire gear that we wear into a burning building.
Britton says he's seen entire apartment buildings become sick due to carbon monoxide, and he has too.
I have personally been outside of a building where there was a high level of carbon monoxide, and it actually made my head hurt, my gums ache.
The best way to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning is to use your heating devices properly, never to use your stove for heat, and to make sure that all maintenance is up to date. The next best thing is to get a carbon monoxide detector, according to Britton. In Cincinnati, Marlena Lang, WCPO 9 News.